So this is HROT, if I'm not mistaken. That's how you pronounce it. I looked it up before. See, heartbeat. No spiders. It says no spiders is off. So I'm gonna do it on hard. So that looks like something I could break open, but I tried destroying it last time. It didn't work. What?
Hi, doggy.
Luna? That's my dog, Luna. I can already tell this game's gonna be scary as fuck. It's interesting. Look! 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 Holy shit! Why are there so many? I'm gonna take the mask off. I'm overheating.
Take the coat off too, damn. Holy shit, I gotta get my glasses too.
They can't reach for this.
That's better. Is that a gorilla? Oh, that gorilla's gonna come to life. Yep. Yup. Bitch! Did not expect that. Fucking smacked me right upside the head. I know there's one more. This is what we're playing now, folks. Get on my level, nerd. Get fucked. Like, I should be able to slip through that, come on. I'm a hefty boy, and I can get through that. Oh! What the fuck? That is... Fucking... My fucking middle finger is like 80 pounds or something. Okay, so yeah, when they're on fire, they do burn. Let me try that again. When they're on fire, they take damage. I'm such an idiot. That was crazy. That was some fucking Halo shit. I'm sensing some Illuminati dark, you know, underbelly of the government kind of ideas going on here. Now let's go eat. There we go. Horse meat. You know, it's like this game gets me. Oh, yep. Oh. Okay. I now know why there is a no spider option in this game. Fuck! And the way they made them is exactly how I hate them. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yep, that's fucking scary. No, horsey! I like how the gib that came from the rat is larger than the rat itself. Alright, this is a boss fight. I can smell it. He's got a pipe. Bitch. Press exit. Okay. You know, what if I don't? What if I don't press exit? Huh? What are you gonna do about it? I'm a very stubborn man. Can't win that easily. Okay then, fine, I'll fucking do it. What are you jumping all around for? Wife beater. Ooh. Oh, that's not very PC. Everybody dance now. Bam, 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 bam. Fuck. You gonna die sometime this year? Give me a tear loot. I want tear loot. Whoa. Did I beat the game? I think I beat the game.